Hello and thanks for joining us on hypingtech.com
podcast.
Oh my god, you said that first time. That's like we had a week break last week.
Yeah.
So what we have got is, lucky enough for you, we have got some new stuff. Guess what we got?
We got a drone.
Well, you got a drone.
I got a drone, yes.
Because you had a little bit of moolah and you spent a little bit of... How much did you spend on this drone?
$250.
250. You're saying it like it's £2.50. Yeah. £250. Was it worth it?
Yes.
Really?
But...
Oh, okay. So you're getting the inside information here. You want me to hold that for you. So there's the actual drone. You'll see it's not like a massive drone. However, it's a FPV drone. So it's got a camera which you can see out of.
Okay.
Okay, go on. And by the way, I might be sending this video to the people we bought this off. RC Geeks is where we got it from.
Yes, okay.
So all honest feedback will be appreciated because we want to know if, you know, it could it be better? What could have been better?
Okay.
Hello, Cuba. Thanks for joining us. We are live on TikTok and everywhere else today. Yes, okay, go on.
Okay, so first the goggles. The goggles work perfectly fine.
Okay, so do they just can I be a model? So how did they
put that in the back? Yeah, just the strap if you want.
Okay. It's full on like a, what do you call the one? The one that's
Oculus.
Like, Oculus, yeah, kind of thing.
Yeah.
But it's got fans in as well, hasn't it? So it doesn't get hot.
It doesn't get fog.
Okay, so it's not that heavy. So these signals are for the drone's video.
Yeah.
Okay, go on. So what do you think of that then?
Yeah, that's good. That's perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so that's that goggle. And then it's the controller.
Okay.
Which, yeah, you can't go wrong with the controller, can you?
Oh my god.
So, it's like a bit buff, but it's nice. Yeah.
Is that the normal size for drone?
I think so. Normally they're bigger, normally they're that big.
Okay, but
like for starting off, this is good.
So did you have that nice...
yeah.
Okay, so is it charged? Are you going to give us a little demonstration of how good this actually is? Have you done any videos of flying it?
No.
Okay, so we can let us know in the comments. Would you like us to take this in like a remote location like Wales and do like remote like hills and stuff, or would you like us to follow a motorcycle, because we can do a motorcycle, or a car, or a bike, or a scooter, or wait, what else you got a skateboard?
Oh yeah.
So what would be good for... But wait a minute, we can't record, can we?
Oh yeah. Okay, so about the goggles.
Okay.
So the battery that it comes with, whenever you put it in, it gets hot for some reason. I don't know why.
Is that normal?
No, I don't think so.
Have you had a look online?
Yeah, I have, but it don't say any like fixes.
So is it after a certain amount of time it gets hot? When you say hot?
No, as soon as I put it in, it gets fully hot.
Okay, so I wonder is it the right milliamp hours?
Yeah, that's the one that came in.
I know, but sometimes what happens is if it's dissipating heat, it means it's got too... How do you open it? It's got too much power and it's trying to dissipate the heat. Does the battery get hot or does the unit get hot?
This part gets hot.
Okay, but is that where the battery goes?
Yeah, like this, the battery goes in here and then...
Okay, so what we're looking at right now is like the... What is this? This is like the controller?
No, that's to power the goggles. So you put that in.
So it's an external power supply that you put the battery in and you plug that into the goggles.
And then it works, yeah.
And then it works. Okay, so wait, can you put that in so I can see how hot it gets?
Do you have anything like a knife?
Well, knife.
Not a knife, like use like something just to push
we've got that.
Yeah,
there you go. That's like a flat screwdriver. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Look at the tree. Welcome. We are live on TikTok. Okay, one sec. So if I go back, let's try that. Okay, so we are gonna see that.
So, so I'm not gonna close it fully.
So if you do it just here, we can get a top-down view on it as well.
So here, it's gonna start getting hot after a bit.
Oh, okay. So just by entering it.
Yeah, like you don't have to turn it on, and then watch it start getting hot after a bit. Wait.
Okay, so we might need to make a separate... Well, can we do a separate show on this again? I'm going to send this to them directly. So go from the top. Okay, so what we've got here is this is the battery that comes with the headset. As soon as we put the battery into here, this is 1800 mAh. How much was the battery?
18.
Was it 10 something? Okay. So this was the battery that came with it.
Yeah.
1800 mAh.
Yeah,
3.7. As soon as we put it in,
you feel it get hot.
Oh, okay. It's getting warm. But then, is that a charger?
Yeah, that's to charge it.
To charge the battery?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now nothing's plugged in, but it's still getting hot, warm.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute.
It gets fully hot, so take it out.
That's not good.
Yeah, no, it's not. I don't know why.
Okay, 1 minute. So we're still under warranty, so we could send it back to them and say, wait a minute, mate. Because this could potentially burn down our house.
Yeah, it could.
If you leave that like that on
that's
something...
why I took the battery out when I put it in there.
Okay, so that's like a security health risk. So, okay. We'll send this to them.
Yeah.
Let us know, RC Geeks. Is this meant to happen?
Okay, take it out. Hurry up.
Yeah. No, it's only leave it. I want to see how it gets. So we can do this live.
Look, it says it could cause fire and stuff. So careful with that.
Wait a minute. Okay, one minute. Is this like a
what?
A cowboy company?
Cowboy? No.
Okay, is it a well-known company?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, so how can they have something that gets so hot that can cause fire? Should there not be like a safety cut-off switch if it gets so hot that it just powers off?
Okay, wait. I think it's getting really hot. You might have to turn it off.
Okay, I want to test it. Because with this, okay, yeah, that's getting hot, and that's just that unit that's getting hot. Oh, wait a minute. That's very hot.
You might want to take it out. It might burn out. If it burns, then if it starts ballooning up, then
how long when you plug it in? Does it get hot then?
No.
Okay, so when it's not plugged in.
So it used to be perfectly fine, but now I don't know why it's doing that.
Okay, so it used to be okay, but now it's starting doing that. Yeah. Okay, so that means that there's an issue with something here.
I don't know what it is, but something like that.
So when you first got it didn't do that?
Yeah, everything else is perfectly fine, just that.
When you first got it, was it always plugged in?
What do you mean it was always...
Like, was this always plugged in?
No, I took it out whenever I wasn't using it.
KTO Rock, if you have one of these, does yours heat up? Because you mentioned in chat that KTO Rook has got one of these.
Oh.
So when you plug the battery in, does this bit get hot here? Like that bit? Because on ours it is. So we're saying... Okay, wait.
Plus is up.
Which bit is... Oh, wait a minute, it's still hot.
It says on it. I know, it's like, I don't know.
I wonder if it's just the remote.
Yeah, so I was thinking, but I don't know.
Okay. So we might do a detailed video on this. Because we've not... Oh, that's still hot.
Yeah.
That's a bit worrying. Okay, so that's the first thing. So basically don't buy it.
Yeah.
If you're going to burn your house down.
Everything else is perfectly fine. The drone works perfectly fine. That works fine.
Okay, so how good are you at the drone? Can you plug this in and just do a little bit of a hover for us? Maybe can we get like a real...
It might be dangerous, but okay, we'll try.
What's the worst that can happen?
Okay, look, feel those. It's a bit sharp over here.
Oh, no, but can you just do like a up and a down?
No, I don't think so.
I think you can.
Because there's some drift in it. Like, drones normally have drift. So like it...
Okay, so how do you get it ready? So we can... So if you're listening to us on the podcast, what we're basically doing is this drone is from... What's the name of the drone?
EMAX.
EMAX. Is there like a number system or something on this?
No.
So that's the EMAX system.
Everyone has bought it. No one has the problem yet of that heating up. I think it's just...
Okay, so it might just be a... So how many reviews have you seen? How many people have this?
100.
Is this like a famous thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so is it just the case that we've got a bad battery thing? So can we just buy another replacement of that?
I don't think they sell it to other country. Only like 3 available right now.
Okay, that's fine. So firstly, I'll email them saying it's getting too hot. Can you send me a replacement? If they say no, we'll buy a replacement. If still no, then we'll find out why it's getting hot. So we'll come back and let you know how that proceeds.
Okay, so should I plug in?
Yeah, go for it. Okay. Go for it. So talk us through how it works.
So first, you have to take the strap out. It comes with the strap.
Okay, yeah. So if you go and it comes with the case as well.
Oh yeah, the case is nice. It's like
a 3D, like a DJI Phantom, whatever, Phantom Menace.
I don't like those types of drones because they're like no skill required in it.
But these are more like skills.
Yeah.
They're for like video and good quality, whatever you call it.
Put that in, and then it comes. It's normally there's 1 2S.
Yeah.
Like, but they made it 1 2S, so it's like powerful. Yeah.
So then both batteries plug in at the same time.
Yeah.
Can you power it with one, or does it have to have 2 batteries?
It has to have 2.
Okay. So each time you run it, it has to have 2 batteries.
3.
How long does the batteries last?
Depends how much like power you put into it.
Okay.
How I'm flying it is 10 minutes. Okay, so that's the...
So it makes a noise when it comes on?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then...
Do you have to fly with the goggles, or can you fly without?
You can fly without.
Okay.
So it automatically connects.
Okay. So we're gonna do a little demo.
Okay. I'll just put the propellers on. Okay, wait. So that's...
arm it.
You have to put it all the way down and then arm it when it's fully up.
Yeah.
It goes super fast when it's going to go.
So I can do a little...
I'm scared to do it.
No, will it just fly straight up?
No.
Can you do like a
slight... start going like...
Try a slight bit. Just raise it off the ground.
Okay,
yeah, so either we're going to take out all our cameras or we'll be okay.
Let me get this.
Okay. Oh, yeah. And down. Okay. Not bad.
That's fine.
Okay, so can you now do it up and forward and back and down?
Okay.
How long have you been riding it?
About...
Flying it?
Well, 1 week.
1 week. So do you think... How much time do you think it needs to...
I'm scared. Okay, what?
No, but what will happen? It'll just hit the floor? Do they give you extra propellers if they break?
Yeah.
How many have you got?
I used 1.
Okay.
So we have 3 left.
3 left. And how frequently do they break? And how much do they cost for replacement?
Okay, those are cheap. About £5 for like 6 or something.
Okay. So, yeah.
Okay,
so, I'll give it... Wait a minute. How does the goggle thing work?
Okay, so normally you have to plug this in.
Okay, so let me put the battery in. I just want to see
Automatically.
see if I can see the view of you doing.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Plus, is that plus?
Plus it says here.
Okay, yeah. So plus faces up. I'll push that in. Close that. This
Okay,
plugs
plug that
into.
in. Low battery too, by the way, because I didn't want to charge it.
Okay. Okay, so
Okay,
that's
look.
come on. Oh wait a minute.
It
They can
should-
actually see it then.
Yeah.
Wait. Make sure you point the camera this way then.
Where?
Okay, there. Oh my
Yeah,
days.
you should automatically.
Oh, it says low power.
Yeah,
Okay,
no,
wait,
it's
can
'cause-
you if you do a up down?
Okay.
Wait, can you see inside that?
I'll arm it so you don't see the numbers. You should see the numbers there.
Can you see that? There's the camera pointed.
Is that this?
Oh, no, you can't see it.
It's too much light, I think.
Okay, but let me. Okay, so
Okay.
I can see it. It looks like a decent quality image.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you go up a little bit.
Okay.
99. Wait, we're gonna do this way because the camera. Oh yeah, they can't see the camera, can they?
Alright.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay,
That's
ready.
fine.
If something goes wrong, it's not my fault. Okay.
That's fine. Okay. Just land on the floor if you get worried, and back down here if you can. Just drop it. That was good.
That's not
That was
bad.
good.
Okay, that's not bad.
Okay.
I could have done it better.
It's easier to control. It's got a bit of side wind and plus wind, like a constricted environment. So it's like,
Okay.
okay. Oh, I wasn't looking at the camera.
Oh my days. Okay, look at the camera now.
Okay, go on. How do I get rid of this one? How do I get rid of this?
Oh yeah,
one?
no, it'll come off as soon as.
Okay, there. Low power. Oh wow. Okay, that looks quite good. That's like
Okay.
full on spy mode.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my
So you
days.
could go.
Okay, so it's
careful.
worth the. Wait a minute, that is getting hot.
Yeah, no,
even when
you
it's
might
plugged
want
in.
to take it off now.
Wait a minute, I don't get this.
Yeah, no, see, I was confused there. I was like, what?
Okay, wait, so no, if I want to charge it, do I plug something into it to charge?
Yeah, is that
But does it get hot when it charges?
But you can't charge it because you need that inside, and then it get hot in it. Because like, look, if that's in, it starts to get hot.
Okay.
So if I put that in and start
So how do you
charging
charge it?
you can't. When you used to be able to, but not anymore. For some reason.
Okay, so we need to
It's
sort
that.
that out. We need to
It's
sort
just
that out.
that the problem. Nothing
Okay,
else.
that's
problem.
fine. So
This
to
one.
so I understand it. What's this thing called? The charging brick, battery pack, the headset
goggle
battery pack. So to explain it, the headset battery pack has a battery. When you put the battery inside the headset battery pack, the mini USB starts getting hot. And why are we not charging it? Because it's getting hot.
Yeah, otherwise it would have. I don't know what would
Okay.
have happened. But
So it's getting extremely hot, as in if you
Yeah.
touch it, it'll burn your finger.
yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So overall, apart from that fire hazard of burning your whole house down, what do you give it out of a 10?
10 out of 10 for the drone, but if this worked, that would be 100 out of 10.
Okay, so can we get a better version of this and upgrade this?
Oh yeah, and then you can start recording video too. So there's like a
Oh,
separate.
whoa,
so you
wait
can-
a minute.
'cause this
So we
is
don't need
just-
to change the drone?
Yeah, this can stay like that. You all you need is a different drone, and then you
Different
can.
headset.
Yeah, and you can put stuff in there
Oh.
like the.
Then we can
And
start
then-
recording video.
Yeah,
That
and
might
it'll
be
be
good.
longer signal too.
EMAX, yes. We've got a few problems with it though. So that one's it's okay. But okay, wait a minute. So we can get another one of these.
Yeah,
Okay, what's it called? How can I buy it?
I have to try to find the right one for this drone because
Oh,
there's like different
no, is it
types.
just not? Is it a Wi-Fi connection or what's the connection?
No, it depends what this thing is, the
Okay.
VTX and stuff, whatever.
Okay, so the next one we're gonna do is we might be able to bring video into the live stream
Yeah.
of the flying of it because we can record it. Right now on this one we can't record it because this
Yeah.
headset's one of like the. So okay, what else comes in the box? So you got
Okay.
this.
So it comes
The
with
drone.
2 batteries with it.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah, okay, and it comes with the 6 1S battery charger. So
So you can charge 6
6 of
batteries
these,
at
yeah.
once.
and the light will turn off when it's done charging.
Okay, good. How long does it take to charge?
About 20 minutes.
And if you're flying it indoors, how long does it last?
10 minutes about.
Okay, that looks a bit flimsy though.
No, but it works well.
Okay, that's
right.
fine. And
Yeah.
is there enough power in the USB to charge all 6 batteries?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Okay, and then we bought 2 extra batteries in case, like, so we.
so these are
fly.
batteries for the flying of the drone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then it comes with 4 props, which I used one,
Okay.
and
Has it got enough power to go up and down and controllability? How controllable is it?
like fully, like it's just so responsive. Like,
Okay.
it's boom.
So based on the little drones we used to have, is it better than that
Yeah,
control?
100%. Because
And if it
that-
gets heavier, is it better?
what do you mean? Like,
If it was heavier, if it was bigger,
Yeah,
how much does this weigh?
about 90 grams.
Okay, because if it's under 500 grams in the UK, you can fly it. If it's
Yeah.
above that, you have to have a license. Did
Yeah.
you know that?
Yeah, no, honestly,
Okay,
I
that's
did my
fine.
research. And some people, what they do when they have a bigger drone,
Yeah.
they put like GoPro on top like that, so
Oh.
they can record fully like 1080.
Yes, because then that's high quality
Yeah.
recording. Okay.
Okay.
Then-
And it comes with instructions
Yeah.
and more screws in case like something.
Okay. So
Yeah.
packed away, it packs into like a suitcase
Yeah.
type thing. Okay, so that battery thing we need to sort out because they sent me an
Yeah.
email asking me how is it going.
Oh, really?
So I thought let me find out and then we can reply to them and say, well, actually, you know what? Here's a video. Have a look at the video. Okay, so if we pack that away,
Yeah.
and then we'll have a quick update on the situation. That's a quick look at the drone itself. We'll link you to another video here where you'll see how well this drone performs if we end up getting video of it flying. So far it looks like it's good. Only problem is the battery overheating, which we'll find out and we'll let you know when they let us know. See you on the next episode here.